What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at VeChain here, and it looks like it's hanging on by the skin of its teeth there on this support that we have outlined for a long time. Obviously, we came back down ages ago and had this swing low here where we've had our fibs pulled in for a long time. You can see obviously we were in a decent uptrend here, and then the market obviously tanked and started dragging VeChain to the downside. You can see you've got your A, B, C kind of correction down to this level here. We've had the overextension to the downside. We've got crazy oversold because of the wider market. You can see here we're pretty much, getting towards as oversold as the COVID crash here, which is absolutely ridiculous. And you can see just how similar these actually are. This basically vertical drop followed by this kind of V-shaped recovery like this. And obviously we are probably expecting something similar for VeChain in our opinion. The market been overreacting to a lot of macro news right now, and we do think it's just a, it's going to be a drop in the pan in terms of the bull run in our opinion. In terms of the stock market getting back on track, because that is what's dragging Bitcoin down. And that is in turn what is dragging VeChain down. And we do think, the stock market's probably going to recover and continue to the upside over the next few months. And in our opinion, obviously, Bitcoin's probably going to follow suit in that regard. If we look at the hourly time frame, we can see quite clearly that we may be forming some kind of, inverse head and shoulders like this, where we could see ourselves with a neckline and a breakout target coming back up into these levels at 6, maybe 7 cents. You can see how horribly overextended we've been getting recently, big bullish divergence here. And the RSI absolutely cratered out on the daily time frame as well. So overall, in our opinion, VeChain, it's been absolutely smashed down recently. You can see, just how ridiculously overextended it has been getting. We have been forming potentially a bit of a range like this. Range is forming everywhere. You can see we come down, come back up, retest resistance, support, coming back up to retest resistance again here. We'll probably have a roll, hopefully to this halfway point of the range, form the inverse head and shoulders like this, the dong of destiny. And then get that, hopefully that breakout to the upside and some more relief. Because, this is a very nice pickup off the bottom, isn't it, for VeChain here? You can see it obviously was getting smashed down. But, Bitcoin just getting stupidly overextended. Like, sooner or later, you are going to see a bounce. The markets don't just go straight down like that unless there's some kind of crazy capitulation, which is what we've been seeing for Bitcoin, isn't it? We've been seeing it capitulate completely. Rolling over based on fear, but not actually based on anything other than that. And usually fear is quite a transient emotion that is quick to subside, especially in financial markets. And we could see, as we said before, in the COVID crash, just how quickly this actually picked up. In March, April, May, we were almost fully recovered. And then by June, we were actually making, a new high after this corrective period that we saw for this big crash. So, this isn't going to be a quick thing for VeChain by any means, is it? But we could see ourselves come down, come back up, maybe start to do something like this, and then slowly get back up to our levels over the next few months. Obviously, depending on what Bitcoin does, we do think Bitcoin's probably going to head sideways for a good while. With all the uncertainty that we are seeing in the world, obviously it's affecting markets badly. But for VeChain here on the daily time frame, crazy oversold. We've got bullish divergences on the histogram there. Momentum to the downside decreasing. And we do think sooner or later we are going to get a decent bounce for VeChain, because, there's only so long that it can continue to sell off in such a manner like this. And you can see we're potentially, today at the very least, putting in a little bit of a range and a sideways motion for a little while. So before we do short-term price predictions then, we just wanted to mention our free Discord in the description. Go down there and sign up. It takes like 10 seconds. It's totally free. You can get involved with our community. We've had so many people joining recently for all the content we're providing. It's the best place where you can get all of our content. We've got daily crypto news, daily updates on the market. We've got daily technical analysis. We've got memes. We've got altcoin gems. We've got an amazing community for passive income. All kinds of great conversations happening there. So go get involved in the description. It's totally free. It takes like 10 seconds. And if you want to get a bit more of an edge on the market, you can sign up to our Patreon. I think it's $9.99 a month. You'll get access to the rest of the Discord pretty much. You'll get alpha. We've got daily signals for Bitcoin if you're into trading. We've got 10x potential cryptos in 2022 and all kinds of other, amazing potential opportunities in there as well. So loads of content being offered in the description. Please go down there, check it out. It's all going to be, really, really useful to you, most likely, in our opinion. We're providing so much value, can barely stand it. And in our opinion, we are going to continue, seeing some more growth in the Discord. So go get involved. It's going to be amazing. So short-term price predictions then. If we're rolling, we're heading back down to the bottom of the range, or at least halfway to the range here at the 4.9 cent level, and also 4.4 cents here. Heading to the upside, if we get the breakout, we'll be heading to the 6 cent psychological level. And by the end of this year, by the end of the bull run, as we've always said, we've still got technical targets for VeChain, still up in this 50 cent to $1 area. Things looking pretty bad right now. You can see we've got the lower lows and lower highs on the macro here, but we think this is potentially, a black swan kind of capitulation in the market. And if we do get back up into this range here, towards that 10 cent level in the next few months, we could still see VeChain coming up to a new all-time high in our opinion. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank you all so much for your support. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our own personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. Remember, you can also join our public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, daily updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are all in the description. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.